Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share a video another withdraw from this website. You can earn Bitcoin, it pay you like a BTC has earn an instant from internet and pay you for survey, do offer walls, referral contest, have a referral contest very well, have a 50% referral commission, pay you this much as the earning if you buy a share. If you buy a share daily, pay you this much of percent of the share. 180 days this will be going 1% bonus of the your referral purchasing, and the share only 1000 satoshi you can buy. This website started in 2020 24 November. Active shares this much, active shares and shareholders is this much. Okay, and this is the share value. A lot of people have a share in here, and this is their registration. This is the hats click in here, and this is the Bitcoin paid to other people, and this is the all thing is this is the 100% light website. Right now it's 2 years this website working. Okay, I come in here, I click register. If you new in here, put your username, email, and put your faucetpay Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, why faucetpay? Because the minimum withdrawal for faucetpay is 200 satoshi. You put password and repeat the password, solve this captcha, and you can just click create account. Okay, I have already account. Now I will show you how you can start earning. Okay, you can see this much is my balance. Total I withdraw this much. I come down in here to show you the withdrawal confirmation. This 5 days ago I withdraw this much, 3 days ago I withdraw this much, is right now this much Bitcoin satoshi I have again. I come in here in here I have a reward. You can claim your reward. Okay, from here it's a 4 satoshi every 50 minutes. This will be pay you like a reward. The next way earning is a view advertisement. You can watch advertisement, pay you much more. You can watch this advertisement 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 advertisement available in here. You can watch it, making some coins. And they have a lottery ticket. You can buy a lottery ticket, participating contest after 3 hours. Okay, this will be launched. I want to buy this much lottery ticket. I just click max. Okay, you can buy it. This much satoshi I have, I can buy a lottery ticket. This much is user, this much lottery ticket buy, and this is the rewards. A lot of people taking for 1 set, 2 set, and 3 set. And this is the last contest winners. Okay, and that's it for right now. This is the for lottery ticket, and in here we have BTC multiple. I didn't recommend you this much. If you do with your own risk, you can do it. I didn't recommend you because this is too risky. Okay, and in here another way is a investment. You can invest. You can see I active share. I have this much share I earn. Total income from my share, this much is my income if I withdraw this balance. And I can buy any share I want. I can invest and buy a share. And that's it guys about this trick. I go to dashboard, I come down in here, I just click withdraw, I click this one to faucetpay. The minimum withdrawal amount for faucetpay 200 Satoshi, direct wallet is 50,000 Satoshi. Okay, that's it. Okay, and I put my password and just click withdraw. You can see this website send me my withdrawal instantly to my faucetpay, and I come down in here. You can see I received the confirmation of the withdrawal. This withdrawal, pay you, and I that's it, guys. I go to my faucetpay to show you the withdrawal proof. Okay guys, now you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching, guys. This website is one of Lite website. You can come here, join yourself, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. This is my total withdrawal from this website, and the next way I will be make withdrawal for 1000 Satoshi and more than 1000 Satoshi. Then this website is one of the best website. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.